Hey everyone, it's Paul here, and in this video I'm going to show you a done for you affiliate marketing system that will help you make up to $200 a day with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of the video I will also give you more information on how you can get me to promote your affiliate link so you can start getting the leads and the sales. And basically I will show you the system that you will promote. I will show the exact affiliate offer that you will promote, and I will show you how you can get the traffic, the exact traffic that I'm using to produce the sales. Now before we begin, let me go ahead and show you some of my personal results so you can see that I am not a beginner, and I've been in affiliate marketing since 2013. So you can see on this particular affiliate account, as you can see right here, this one gross volume for this one particular affiliate account, I made a total of around 625,000 Australian dollars, which is pretty awesome. Now I have another affiliate account here, which is another program, and you will see it here. The total commissions that they paid me so far is around 64,986. And then another affiliate account here, a smaller account, so total commissions paid 33,696. And then we have another affiliate account here, and you can see that the total payment for this particular account is around 83,550 US dollars. So I'm showing you some of these results because I want to show you that I know what I'm doing, and I'm here to help you, and I'm here to guide you. And today I'm gonna give you the opportunity to use the same system that I am using. This is a brand new system that we're using to generate up to $200 per day or $200 per sale. And I will show you how to do the setup. So this is exactly how it works. Okay, so everybody starts. So you can see for this particular campaign, the total commission so far that they paid me is around $5,000, which is pretty awesome. So it's brand new. As I said, it's completely brand new. So now we have the opportunity to promote this particular program. Okay, so everybody starts on this page. So I will put the link in the comment section so you can check out this page. And when you go to this page, all you need to do here, really straightforward. Okay, if you want to earn the instant $200 commissions, you just need to put your valid email address here so you can start with the sign up process and you can create your account. So you just put your email address here and then you click on yes, show me how. And then what will happen is it will take you to the next page. So when you go to this next page, alright, so that's a thank you page. The next step is you just need to click this button so you can watch the video. So you click on this video, it will open right here. And then on the next page, this is where you will be able to watch the video from the creator of the system. So this is the guy who created the system. His name is Mac. And you can watch the video, you can watch the testimonials. He also explained how it works. But basically the way this works is that you will be able to learn how to use video reels, like short videos that he supplied inside the program, and generate up to $200 per sale. So you can scroll down, check out the testimonials as well. And then after you watch the video, this is exactly what you need to do if you want me to help you to promote your link and if you want to get the same copy of the system. So you watch the video and then you click this button that says join daily income method now. So you click this button, it will take you to the sign up page, the checkout page. So when you go to this page right here, you will see it says referred by Paulo Beringel. That means that you are in my team. Okay, and then it says create daily income method account. So step number one is you need to pay the affiliates a one-time payment of $200 that you have to pay. Step number two is a one-time payment of $97 as the admin fee. So total is $297 one-time payment. So you just put your name and then your email address create an account, and then tick this box, check this box, and then basically just follow through the process. So you can select whether you want to pay using PayPal or I have Wise as well if you want to use bank transfer. And then you just need to complete the payment and complete the payment of the $97 as well. Once you complete that part, okay, once you complete that part, you are now able to log in into your account, which is exactly this page right here. So when you log in your account, there's a welcome from the creator of the system. Okay, there's a welcome video here from Mike. You can see that's the preview. And then basically he explains how it works. And then you click on start setting up your system. So when you click on start setting up your system, this one on the left, it will go down to the system setup. And then when you click on system setup, that is where you will be able to set up your payment, because that's the most important part, right? You want to get paid your commissions. So you go to the welcome, put your username, update your profile, and then add payment. So in the add payment links section, this is the one-time setup only. So you can put your Stripe credit card that explains. So basically Mac is explaining how to set up your payment links, but basically it's really straightforward. You just put your Stripe credit card link, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, Crypto, and other payment methods. So you just you select the payment method and then you put your detailed payment method. Okay, so I'm based in Australia, so that's why I don't use some of this payment method. But if you're in the US, you can select as many payment methods as you want. Okay, once you complete that, you click on save and continue, and then you go to the part where it says lead capture page and then affiliate links. Once you finish your setup, you just need to follow the steps basically. Okay, once you finish your setup, what will happen is you will now get the same copy of this page right here. So this is the page that they supplied for all the affiliates. So if you follow the steps, you will be able to get a copy of this page. So now the next question is, if you're a complete beginner with no social media followers, right, no experience, for example, how do you actually promote this page? And to promote this page, what you do is you go to this website called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So this is my traffic agency that I created for all my students and team members who ask me if I can help them promote their link. So now we can do that. So basically what you do, you go to this website, the link is in the comment section, and you just select the package that you want to purchase. Either you want to promote your link on Facebook or Meta, on Google Ads or YouTube Ads, we can do that. And the smallest package you can buy is the $200 50 buyers traffic campaign. So let's say, for example, you want to test out the campaign, test out the offer. You select this Meta or Facebook, all right? So this Meta 50 buyers traffic campaign, it's a one-time payment of $200. Once you complete the payment, you will get an email from me. Or either way, what you can do is you can message me on my Facebook page. The link will be in the comment section, so you can message me on my Facebook page. Once you message me on my Facebook page, or if I email you, what I need you to do is give me your link. So this link right here, this link, the page, the link, the page, this lead capture page. What I need you to do is give me your link. And then what I'm going to do is, because I already have this existing campaign, as you can see, this is my existing Facebook campaign. So I'm spending money on Facebook for this particular campaign. And this is a generic campaign that I have. So what I'll do is, you can see that's the exact Facebook ad. And it says, copy this online business that makes $200 a day. So basically, we're targeting people who are interested with make money online and, home business opportunities. So when people click on this ad, right, they see this on Facebook. When they see this on Facebook, they click on the ad because they're interested to make money online. Okay. When they click on the ad, what will happen is they will go to this lead capture page, which is your lead capture page. All right. So when they click on this button, okay, they put their email address. They click on watch our video to learn how. So now what's happening is the people on Facebook, they will now go to your page. So when they submit their email, they now go to this page, which is your affiliate link. And again, you need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone. You don't even need to worry who these people are, because the advertising is done by my traffic agency. Okay. And when people watch the video, Mac is explaining, Mac is doing all the selling and telling, he's doing the explanation. People watch this video, and because they also want to make money online, they click on this button, and then they go to this, they click this button, they go to the next page, they complete the payment. Once they complete the payment, that is how you will make that $200 commission. So if you go to the page where it says commissions, this is exactly where you will be able to see your commissions. All right. So you can see it here. Whenever people join, you will get a notification that someone joined and someone made that payment. So you will get a notification that you made $200 in commission, which is pretty awesome. So again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can check out the system that we are using. I will put the links in the comment section so you can go to this page. And just a recap, it's really straightforward. What you do, go to the comment section and then go to this page. You put your email address, click on yes, show me how, and then go to the next page, click on this button, right? Go to this page, watch the video from Mac, click the button, and then follow the steps, complete the payment. It's a one-time payment of $297. Once you complete your payment, the next step is you go to the affiliate marketing traffic agency, purchase the traffic package, and then next step is message me on Facebook and then give me your link. Once you give me your link, again, this campaign on Facebook, I will redirect the traffic going to your lead capture page. We already know that this campaign is working, so now you have the opportunity to use this exact campaign. Okay, so I will redirect the traffic coming from my Facebook campaign going to your lead capture page, and then once the campaign is live, you will start getting the leads and the sales, and you will start getting the notifications that you made $200 in commission whenever people join. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that I was able to help you with affiliate marketing. Make sure that you give this video a like or a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Otherwise, all the links will be in the comment section, and I look forward to connecting with you inside the group. And most importantly, I look forward to seeing your testimonial when you start getting the $200 commission whenever someone joins using your affiliate link. Thank you for watching. Again, all the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best, and God bless.